Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to get your payment from clients. So there are ways you can receive your payment from clients. Number one way is through the Upwork, or if you are a freelancer on Upwork or any of the freelancing platforms, you can receive your payment through Upwork. Upwork, the client usually it usually works this way. The client pays Upwork, and Upwork pays you. So this is an example of which you can receive your client either via your freelancing platform, or you can also receive your payment directly from the client. But in all of this, you need a payment system, okay? You need a payment system in order to receive this payment. Now, for we that are in Africa, most times we are limited with opportunities and all of that to receive money using our local bank account. So most times you can't receive it with your local bank account. And even if you do, the fee will be much. It's going to be outrageous. So that is why we are going to learn how to use a platform to receive this money. So there's so many platforms you can use, but today we are focusing on a platform that their exchange rate is higher than every other platform's exchange rate. For example, if a dollar to naira it's giving at 1,450, you may get at 1,470 or 1,480 from them. Their exchange rate is always a bit higher and all of that. So to get started, let us go to the website, to the platform. You can either download the app or you use the link to have access to this platform. So it is Rainest, but I advise you go through this link I'll be sharing so that you can easily make sure that you are on the right app. Okay, this is my own link. I'm going to be putting it in the description. I'll put it in the description. So use this link to log in and create an account. So we are on the platform Rainest. Now, this is the first thing you see. The first thing to do is to select your country of residence. Here you see if your country qualifies for those here. I'm a Nigerian, so I'm going to select Nigeria. Then I'll continue. I'll enter my email address. And then this code, please do not touch this code if you're going through the link. Then continue. So they are going to send a code to my email. Oh, I didn't think of this. So hold on, let me bring it out. So as I bring out this code, I want you to understand that we are creating this process is just for you to have a bank account like under Renest in the US. In the you can create a UK bank account, you can create a US bank account, you can create a bank account that you can receive payment via euro. So if your client is paying you directly, most likely you depends on the country that your client comes from, that will determine what bank account that you will be working with, what type of currency that you will need to work with. Okay, so everything depends on your client's currency. If they're paying you directly, you may be required to send them a currency that they're a bank account that they're familiar with. But generally, you can use a dollar account. But another thing here is that if you are working on platforms, like if you're receiving your pay from platforms like Upwork, they are only should I say the only platform they pay you through, it's a dollar account because dollar is their I'm waiting for the code. Let me resend this. Dollar is like their, should I say, their flat um, currency that they accept. So I'm waiting for the code. So I don't know why it's delaying, but let me check my spam box. So for Upwork, platforms like Upwork, dollar is what they use for everything. Like they're paying you off in dollar. So how do you use this account? For example, if you create a dollar account with them, there's a space for Upwork for you to put your account details. Okay, there's a space on Upwork where you can put your account details. On that space, you will put the account details that you generate after registering on this platform on Upwork. So when Upwork pays you, it goes to this your account, this your Rainest account, and on Rainest, from Rainest account, you can then pull it directly to your local bank account, which makes it cheaper. Like I think $2 or less than $2, you pull your money from from your own Rainest account. So we are trying to create an account here. On this account, you will have your own dashboard where you'll be seeing all the payment that you'll be receiving. Okay. So since I can't go further than this because it will also require a phone number and other things which may be private. So this is just the place I would be stopping. But let me tell you what you'll be seeing further. You'll be seeing the request for the request for your phone, your number, the request for your means of verification. For me, I'm a Nigerian. You can use a NIN, that's National Identity Number, to do your verification. At a point, they will ask you to take like a face photo. They will ask you to take a photo. You just make sure you capture your main face. They'll ask you to do that. So these are just some of the things they request for you. Then there's a place that they'll ask you what your occupation is. If you're a freelancer, select freelancer. For most of us that are working as virtual assistant or you're working remotely, select freelancer. Okay. If you're a remote worker, select freelancer. If you're a freelancer, select freelancer. Then they'll ask you your how much monthly you get. If you're a beginner, please just go for the least amount you see there if you're a beginner, and so on and so forth. So these are some of the questions that you may come across. Okay, please make sure that the name you're using to create this account is the same name on your national identity card or whatever. Make sure it is the same, because this is a very serious verification. It's not just a child's play. They are very serious with this. Okay, so make sure it tallies and every other thing that you provide is the correct answer. So thank you so much. With this, when you have logged in, when you've created and logged in, then you can go and create a US bank account. One, just follow the steps. They will show you your account. They will show you your account number, the sort code. So whenever you are sending it to somebody, make sure you also include the sort code, just the way they gave it to you, and all of that. The same thing. Then you can proceed to create a UK bank account. You can also proceed to create a Euro bank account, just in case you have clients that uses any of this currency. Then another thing that you can do on this platform is create a virtual card. What I mean by a virtual card is just like ATM, the physical ATM, but this time around it is virtual. So the difference is that you don't get it on the hard copy. You just have all the numbers that you need on the soft copy. It's going to be on your platform, on your dashboard here, on your Renes dashboard. Just click on, when you click on cards, you're going to see it on your dashboard. So when you click on cards, you're going to see your card. So with that card, you can put it onto any platform. You can use it to you can use it to buy connect on Upwork. You can use it to pay for, let's say, utility bill, any online transaction that you want to use a card for. You can use it. So thank you guys so much. Let me know in the comment section if you're having any issues with creating this account. Thank you guys. Bye bye.